Can I block someone on WhatsApp if they have hidden their story from me?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a frequently asked question about WhatsApp. Can you block someone on WhatsApp if they've hidden their story from you? Let's dive into this topic and give you a clear answer.
What does it mean when someone hides their story from you?
In the world of WhatsApp, a user can choose to hide their status updates or stories from specific contacts. This means that if someone has chosen to hide their story from you, you won't be able to see any updates they post in their WhatsApp status. However, it's important to remember that this doesn't necessarily mean you're blocked. Blocking and hiding stories are two different actions on WhatsApp, each with its own distinct functionalities.
Can you block someone even if they've hidden their story?
Now, to the heart of the matter. The answer is a resounding yes. You can block someone on WhatsApp, even if they've hidden their story from you. Blocking someone on WhatsApp is not dependent on whether you can see their story or not. As long as you have their contacts saved in your phone, you can block them.
How to block someone on WhatsApp?
To block someone on WhatsApp, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Open WhatsApp. 2. Tap on the More Options button. 3 vertical dots on the top right corner. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Tap on Account. 5. Tap on Privacy. 6. Go to the Blocked Contacts option. 7. Tap on the Add Contact icon and select the contact you wish to block. Remember that when you block a contact, they can no longer see your last seen, online status updates, or message you on WhatsApp. We hope this video has provided a clear answer to the question. Yes, you can block someone on WhatsApp, even if they've hidden their story from you. WhatsApp's privacy features give us control over who we interact with, allowing us to block any contact if needed, regardless of their story settings. Remember to use these features wisely and responsibly. Stay safe and keep communicating.